Good evening, friends. My name is Ornab Bhattacharjee. I am from Delhi. Though my hometown is Calcutta, for my job purpose, I am situated at Delhi now. I am employed as an academic consultant under Directorate General of Training, which is under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship under Government of India. Earlier that, after completion of my study, I have also worked as a full-time lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department for 4 years in a private polytechnic institutions. And after that, I have also worked as a vocational trainer under automobile technology in a government-aided high school. Besides my teaching, I have also provided many home tuitions and tutorials to my students who are diploma aspirants and BTech aspirants. After 1.5 years, I am thinking to start my teaching again as I am very passionate about teaching. And I think via teaching, the concept in each and every subject can be clear. I am also an aspirant of different competitive exams, though earlier I have also appeared in different competitive exams. Now I am also preparing for different competitive exams, and I think that with parallel to my preparation, I can deliver my concept about the subjects which will help me to prepare myself to acquire my knowledge better, and which will help to the aspirants to prepare themselves. So, in this channel, via different video lectures, I will clear any doubt, any confusion, and I will deliver the answer of any questions which will be arised in the mind of an aspirants who are thinking to sit for the different competitive exams. That can be exams for railway, exams for NTPC, UPSC exams, state PSC exams, etc. and etc. This is practical that who are aspirants of different competitive exams, he or she studies for most of the time in a day. He or she thinks about the subjects. He or she thinks that what question may be arised in the examination paper. But to make your preparation for the government examination or competitive examinations easier than that, from my point of view, we should make concept about each and every subject. We should settle our mind about each and every subject of engineering. For that reason, we can at first we have to know and we have to learn the overview of all engineering subjects. So that is my introduction video. So in my introduction video, I can tell you about the overview of engineering subject. So we can split the engineering subjects in two portions, that is theory and numerical. In theory, what we have to do? In theory, we have to learn about definitions of different terminologies, characteristics of different engineering materials, and specification of different engineering devices which we can use in our practical life. Another portion is practical, which you have already learned in your study level, in your student life. But for the preparation of your competitive exams, what will be the most important thing? The important thing is numerical, which consists of relationship, deduction, and solution. Relationship means the mathematical relationship between different parameters. Deduction means you have to prove that the reality of the relationship, that is called deduction. And the last is solution, that is solution of numerical problem. If any of the formulae can be settled in your mind, so the solution of numerical problems are very easy. So in this channel, via different video lectures, I will deliver you my concepts about main engineering subjects which belongs to mechanical engineering, production engineering, and any other allied subjects which are also required to be taught in engineering department. So I will upload my next video on strength of materials and mechanics of solids. Besides my video lecture, I will provide you note, I will provide you practice paper, and I will discuss with you, I will communicate with you via mail, via contact number, which will be already given to the screen. Okay. So I will be try my best to clear your concept and to help you for the preparation of your different exams. If you like my video, if you like my statement, please subscribe to my channel, and about any of your query, any of your question, put a comment in the comment box and I will answer as soon as possible. So I will come very soon with my next video. Thank you.